Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I wanted to provide an update here on PROG or Progenity Inc. I've got the 15-minute chart pulled up here. Friday was a 17-18% gainer due to the gap up that happened after hours on Thursday. So you can see this crazy run up here to $2.45, and it has been selling off since that point. I threw up a couple trend lines here to kind of show the downtrend as this thing has started to sell off and work its way down. And I also have like a longer term uptrend line that it appears to be trying to support here. You can see it came down and touched this several times on Friday, ran back up, and now it's selling back off to this long-term uptrend line. And this thing goes, a few days back. So looking at the price action right now, it's definitely looking bearish with the sell-off that's been happening. However, late Friday, you see this thing starting to flatten out and kind of go sideways and then pump back up. It tried to break this top line here, this downtrend line, was unable to. So it started to sell back off again, but now it is barely broken out of that, and it's really going sideways right now. So it's really starting to consolidate. You can see that there's a couple bars here that showed a squeeze and then a fire to the upside, but it was only a 2-bar squeeze. So as you can see, there was no crazy move to the upside here. So I would say if the price can have a nice bullish reaction to this longer term uptrend line here, and we can get on Monday some buyers to really step in and drive this thing higher, we could see this thing make another run up here at $2.45. But we have one key level here in the way, and it's late Friday around 182, 183. You can see it ran up to that level and then it sold below it. So in its latest attempt, it was not able to get above that 182, 183. Now, if the buyers step in, start to rally this thing, and it can break and close above that, then I think a very important point above that is around $2, 202. As you can see, the price came up here to this level, and you've got a big wick sticking out here. So you see some really fat price rejection around that $2 level. So that would be the next key point I would look at. If this thing is going to make another run at $2.45, I would need to see that thing getting above this $2 level and closing above it. That'll show that the buyers are really back into this thing and trying to pump this thing back up towards the recent high of 245. If this thing starts to sell off below this longer term uptrend line, then I'm going to be bearish and thinking that lower prices are coming. So I think it's a very important level here as we've kind of broken out a little bit of this downtrend channel here. This longer term uptrend line comes into play. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on PROG or Progenity Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.